Spring isn't just for cleaning out your home. It's the perfect time to refresh your finances. I'm Vicki Meng with Beckley Associates, and today we're going down some simple ways to declutter your budget, boost savings, and improve financial health. For individuals, let's start with a budget review. Have your spending habits changed? Adjust as needed and redirect money towards savings goals. Speaking of savings, automate contributions on your emergency fund and retirement accounts. Consider a high-yield saving account to maximize interest. And don't forget to cut unnecessary expenses. Check for unused subscriptions and recurring charges that you can cancel or downgrade. Next, check your credit score and request a free credit report to spot any errors. If you have high-interest debt, focus on paying it down or consolidating for better rates. A clean credit profile sets you up for financial success. For business owners, spring is a great time to audit your books and review Q1 performance. Organize financial records and ensure everything is accurate. Identify trends in revenue and expenses to optimize cash flow. And explore ways to cut costs, like renegotiating vendor contracts or streamlining operations. Looking ahead, set Q2 business goals and make sure tax payments are on track. And don't leave money on the table. Check for available tax deductions and credits to lower your tax liability. A little financial spring cleaning today can lead to a stronger financial future. Need expert guidance? Contact Beckley Associates PLLC. We're here to help.